don't try to jump too soon, okay?
Mommy, we can take this outside and get some water down it and take this outside.
Maybe after he gets used to doing it.
No. Hello, sir.
Blake, get out from under. You're gonna have.
Can I put my hand out?
Ryan, you're gonna have to go around, sweetheart.
Does he have grips on this?
No.
Hang on to my hands. Hang on. Hang on to my hands.
No, I don't want him to try to do that.
Go around. Slide him up.
Ryan.
Hey, Ryan, come here. Use this way. Ryan, come here. This way. Use the steps. Blake, stop. I'm teaching him. Use the steps. Come on, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Yeah, that's right. Come on. Go up the steps. Thank you. There you go. Turn the rock, dude.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Give me a high five. Go back. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, don't be afraid. Let your spiritual monkey come out. He gave me a high five. He gave me a high five. He gave me a high five. Hey, you gotta go this way. What was so funny about that? He gave me a high five.
Sorry, I'm still laughing over the spiritual monkey. Hey, Zay.
That was fun. She's like, okay.
So how about the box?
Yeah, the box. Somebody put the box over my head.
No, just leave it where it is, please.
Okay, come on. Come on, Foxy. You wanna ride on it? Lan, you wanna help me a little bit? Put the box over my head?
Lan, push it back out in the middle. I don't want him trying to reach stuff like the light switch. Lan, push it back where it was. Hey, do you see where he's going to crash? Turn it back this way. There you go. There we go. Hi. That's right. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Don't push him. No, don't push him. Whenever you're ready, sweetie. Whenever you're ready. Take that dive. Concentrate. Focus.
Focus.
Dive when you're ready. You're not ready? Listen to Leanne. Oh.
Come on, give me a high five. Good boy. Come on. Now do that Kelly said. There you go. There you go. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Good job! Yay, Ryan!
He seriously looks like a little midget, like jumping off a midget there. Hey, hey, don't crowd him. Don't crowd him. It's his box. Let him have fun with his box.
Hey, it's dark in there, man.
Hey, let's put some holes in it. Yeah, put some holes in it. Where's a screwdriver?
No, we're not punching nothing. Blake, no. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
You can't see. Hello, sir.
Can we open that other side?
Not yet.